In this video, we're going to answer the question, should I as a seller upgrade to LinkedIn Sales Navigator? The answer is, if you can afford it, absolutely. It is a fantastic tool, and this tool can help you with sales prospecting. In fact, if you pair that with our Selling with Sales Navigator training course, the annual membership, you're going to learn so much and take that tool and make it that much more useful to helping you create more sales conversations. In today's video, I want to show you some features, some essential features that will help you as a seller that are not available in the LinkedIn Premium version. There are 4 major things that you receive with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Number 1, advanced search features. Number 2, LinkedIn Sales Navigator will start serving you up prospects and buyers they think that you're targeting after you start saving profiles of buyer types and buyer personas inside the platform. It provides you recommended leads for you to start targeting and going after. Proactively, you could also use it kind of as a mini CRM. It'll allow you to be able to create notes for all of your buyers that you're engaging with. And of course, there's all kinds of great alerts, including job change features. These are some of the things that you want to be thinking about when making a decision of, should I purchase LinkedIn Sales Navigator or should I not? How can you upgrade? LinkedIn offers a free trial, so leverage that free trial for 30 days and combine that with Vengresso's Selling with Sales Navigator course, and you're going to find it as a super powerful combination. In addition, you can charge on a monthly basis, or you can pay the annual subscription all up front. If you would like more tips on how to sell with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, well, go to vengresso.com, and in addition to that, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can make sure that you're leveraging all of our Selling with Sales Navigator tips right on our YouTube channel. And don't forget, go to moresalescalls.com and you'll be able to see our Selling with Sales Navigator annual membership training program, where you can join a private, exclusive community of other sellers around the world just like you, who are engaging, having conversation, and driving community around how to prospect using Sales Navigator. Take care. Bye for now.